watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you wanted to. Don't know what you need.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're doing the unboxing of this Citizen T530. I don't know which clip you're going to be seeing first of this, whether it's the footage of me doing the old of this one, or if it's the footage of me doing this one, but I'm trying to do the, I'm seeing. Right, so here it is, here's our here's our thing, here it is. This is how I'm doing it. The camera's really awkwardly pointed right now, but we're gonna do it. Okay. I just want to say this is a very old box, so it could literally is falling apart. Ooh. So first we've got that. Oh my god, it's got a thing in it. Okay. And then it's got, oh, there's instructions. Yeah. Set that off to the side. Yeah, we've got these. This is the instructions, I'm assuming. Feels like I'm giving like a sermon, you know? Do not watch TV while driving. Avoid places with excessive humidity or dust. Avoid places with extreme or high or low temperatures. Do not assemble. Do not disassemble. Avoid strong shocks. Clean the case with a soft cloth slightly moistened with water. Do not use benzene, alcohol, thinner or other chemicals. Use only power sources specified in this manual. Well, I'll have to have a look at that though. Right, let's just get to figuring out how to use this thing. I'm assuming that's the top of it there. So. Oh, it's in a case. Okay. It's quite big. Sorry for people that don't like the sound of styrofoam. Right. Let's take it out. Ready? The reveal. It's upside down, but that's okay. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? It's massive. Wait. This is the old one from 1986. This is the new one from 1992. Look how much bigger it is. Wait, is the screen bigger? How much bigger is the screen? Right. Okay, that's in the off position. Right, open. Oh, that's nice. It's very, I don't know. It's got a nice antenna on it though. We need to make sure that works. Right, volume. Which way's up and which way's down? I'm assuming left is down and right is up. Okay, that's a loose bit of plastic. Out comes literally everything I've got. Okay, that's the antenna. That's the power brick. Oh my god. Right, so that's the antenna. Oh wait. Wait, this is actually for an external antenna. Wait. Right, plug for the power. Okay, this is an official Citizen and an official Citizen power supply, so I'm going to assume this works. Listening to the radio, viewing the television. Listening radio power supply. BA755. Okay, that's cool. Right, let's turn it on. I don't hear anything, which is okay. Here we go. Okay, that's cool. What's it set to right now? FM. Oh, that. What's this? Is this that Indiana Jones? Is it what? Why is Indiana Jones here? What is this? Oh, it's a Welsh radio station, okay.
You are all correct. Nicola and Wendy's just put brilliant.
Shout out to all you people. Okay. Right, let's see if the TV works now. Ready? Gonna zoom in into the screen. Ready? Oh! There's an image. Oh wait, it's going through. It's going through the thing so I can see it. That is really nice. Right, I'm going to see if it works now. That all goes up to there. Right, let's turn it on and see it tune. Turn it on and watch it tune. Okay, let's watch it go. Ooh. Next channel please. Is it gonna tune? I can't see a picture, which is a bit strange. Okay. Now I'm not sure why the signal's gone all weird. It might be something to do with battery. I'm not sure why that's going like that. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. It's on there, and it's not. There we go. Right, let me play it. No, that one's okay. Why does that not? It's probably because it's not on battery power. Right, we'll have to fix this in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I figured out what the problem was. I had the sound carrier set wrong. So, it's supposed to be, it was on 5.5 kilohertz as a sound carrier. And, this TV is 6 kilohertz, so this one here is 5.5 and this one's 6, so they're not going to be able to work at the same time, which is fine. So it's working, as you can see. It is working. You can't really see it working, but it looks okay from where I am. There's also colour mode and black and white mode. Here we go.
And British scientists are on the verge of pinpointing the cause of asthma. the Prime Minister relaxed at home today, his Cabinet colleagues turned out in force to defend the government's record on the economy.
What I'm probably going to do now is just record a bit of it from my phone. Just so you guys can actually see what this looks like, because it doesn't look very good on camera.
And British scientists are on the verge of pinpointing the cause of asthma. Good evening. While the Prime Minister relaxed at home today, his Cabinet colleagues turned out in force to defend the government's record on the economy. The Education Secretary, Kenneth Clarke, admitted Tory mistakes after inside...
So, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, now I suppose what I can do is, do the other bit. This is the Citizen T530 from 1986. It is one of the earliest portable televisions, closely followed by the Sony TV8-301 from 1960. Its sleek design and minuscule scale really goes to show how much of a great portable television this was, especially for 1986. On the front of the unit, which you can see now, on the left here is the off and on buttons. That will be used to turn the TV off and on, obviously. Coming up on the right here, we have on the left the brightness control, which would control the brightness and contrast for the screen. By the way, you would have to be stood in a well-lit environment because this screen has no backlight. On the right you can see the VHF and UHF switches that would control the frequency that the television is tuned to, although there is a tuning switch which further tunes the frequency. And there are the channels. On the VHF frequency you can go between channels 2 and 12, and on UHF you can go between channels 21 and 69. On the right side of the unit you can see there is the volume switch and the tuning dial. Volume switch will control the volume of the speaker. On the back of the unit here you can see a space for light to pass through. This is because the screen has no backlight, which means that if you're in a dark room, if you were in bed trying to watch TV on your portable TV, it wouldn't work because there is no light. You could buy a backlight for this TV that you would slot onto the back, and on the back there is an antenna. That antenna, I believe, can extend quite far, which means you can get some pretty good reception with this TV. On the left here, which I'm pointing to now, that is the headphone jack. If you have a set of headphones with a 2.5mm jack on it, you could use these headphones. And on the right here, which I'm pointing to now, that is the 6V DC input. If you don't have batteries, which this takes 4 AAAs, if you didn't have those, if you didn't have any batteries, then you could plug in the 6V DC. And there, as you can see now, that is the screen. Now the screen has to be mirrored, I believe mirrored and upside down, and then reflected through a mirror to be able to view it, because it has a backlight because it doesn't have a backlight, so it has to be at the back of the unit. And there is the screen itself. Playing the other video.
What is this catchphrase?
Get happy over a few darts. I don't want anything to do with it and get into trouble with politics. But don't know you. Stop. Do you want to sort this with me? Oh, please. I thought we were a team. What, you and me? Sorry, I've got a class.
Yeah, that was the comparison to this video. Sorry, I've got to turn this off. That was the comparison to this video. I was going to do it with the other TV, but it works on a different sound receiving band or something. So I can't do that, unfortunately. But I would do it if it worked. But it's a different sound thing. So that's unfortunate. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then like, subscribe and whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye guys. Goodbye.